Welcome everyone to this exciting open house interior tour. I'm your host, Delta Plus Designs, and today we have a delightful showcase of this stunning home. So grab your virtual walking shoes and let's dive right in. As we step through the grand entrance, you'll immediately notice the exquisite craftsmanship and attention to detail. The elegant double-height lounge space sets the tone for what's to come. The living room where comfort and style effortlessly collide. The space that beckons you to sink in and relax, while the floor-to-ceiling windows invite natural light to dance across the room. You could place tastefully curated artwork, adorning the walls, adding a touch of sophistication to the space. And connected to the kitchen, we find the elegant dining area perfect for hosting unforgettable dinner parties or simply enjoying a cozy family meal. The large windows allow you to savor breathtaking views while enjoying your favorite dish. Now, let's make our way to the heart of any home, the kitchen, and prepare to be dazzled by the state-of-the-art appliances, sleek countertops, and ample storage space. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or a casual cook, this kitchen will inspire your inner chef. Now, let's step outside and explore the stunning outdoor space. A beautifully landscaped garden offers a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living. Imagine basking in the sun or hosting memorable gatherings with friends and family in this enchanting oasis. As we proceed with our open house interior tour, in this segment, we have not just one, but 3 stunning bedroom spaces with ensuite bathrooms to showcase. Get ready to be inspired as we explore these versatile spaces, and let's dive right in.
Our first stop is this spacious and inviting bedroom. The generous floor plan provides ample room for a variety of furniture arrangements.
Whether you're dreaming of a cozy reading corner, a workspace that fuels your creativity, or a tranquil guest room, this bedroom has the potential to fulfill your every desire. Connected to the bedroom is a sleek and stylish ensuite bathroom. The modern fixtures and luxurious finishes create an atmosphere of elegance and refinement. Step inside and indulge in the spacious shower area, complete with a rainfall shower head.
This ensuite bathroom truly offers a private retreat for relaxation and rejuvenation.
Now let's move on to our second bedroom. As you enter, you'll immediately notice the abundant natural light streaming in, casting a warm and inviting glow. The neutral tones and clean lines provide a blank canvas for your design aspirations, allowing you to transform this space into a haven that reflects your personal style. Adjacent to the bedroom is a modern ensuite bathroom that exudes sophistication. Last but certainly not least, we have the third bedroom. This room showcases a unique blend of comfort and functionality, offering endless possibilities for customization. Whether you envision it as a children's playroom, a home office, or a personal fitness area, this versatile space can adapt to your ever-changing needs. Connected to the bedroom is a beautifully designed ensuite bathroom. The clean and contemporary aesthetic creates a serene ambiance, ensuring your moments of self-care are accompanied by a touch of luxury. The spacious shower area and elegant fixtures provide an indulgent experience, while the sleek vanity adds a touch of elegance to the space. Now let's talk about the endless possibilities for this space. Whether you envision it as a creative home office or a cozy reading nook, the choice is yours. The ample space allows you to bring your imagination to life and transform this space into something truly extraordinary. offering a world of possibilities. Whether you're seeking a peaceful sanctuary, a functional workspace, or a place to nurture your guests, these rooms are ready to be transformed into the spaces of your dreams. If you would like more information or to schedule a private virtual showing, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for joining us on this tour, and may your search for the perfect home be filled with excitement and discovery. Thank you for joining me. Do remember to subscribe so as to not miss out on any of our tours.